Hello, this is Robert with RJH Solution 6. Today we're going to do a brief overview of SEMRush. And what we're looking at right now is the subscription information. This is actually the free version, and even if you're not interested in paying for SEMRush, there is quite a few things you can do for free. And also for a more extensive list of what SEMRush can do in the paid version, you can check out my website, rjhsolution6.com. I wrote a pretty extensive article on it. But for right now, we're just going to look at this and just look at a few things it can do. So let's go back to the dashboard here and let's see what some tools we can. All right, let's try. So let's do an overview. Let's just do domain analytics overview. Let's try usaday.com. As you can see, it gives you organic search traffic, 50.5 million, page search traffic, backlinks, and then it gives you a really nice breakdown of everything, keyword trends, top organic keywords, and you can view details. It'll only give you so many under the free version, but still gives you some information. You also got, like, you can view backlinks. And this is a really great tool also to spy on your competitors and look at your competitors' backlinks, look at their keywords. I really recommend, if you haven't used SEMRush, it'd be worth it just to spend, even if you only do it for a month or even do it for the trial version, it'll definitely be worth it to do the full version for at least a few days and get that type of data. And just the amount of things are covered in SEMRush is just incredible. There's also like traffic comparison. There is keyword comparison. You can see multiple competitors and variations of keywords they're using, so you can find out what you're using on like online advertising versus your competitor versus another competitor, and kind of see where you guys overlap. And it gives you some good insight into what some of the more profitable keywords are and also some of their ads. So as you can see, there's just all sorts of different things you can do on here. Let's check out Keyword Gap and see what Keyword Gap does. As you can see, you get a lot of data. And this will break down where the keywords overlap. But then just the amount of data, sheer data alone, is worth paying for this tool. I usually use it, I'll turn it on for a month, and then once I get all the data I need, I'll pause it, turn it off. But it's definitely worth looking at, especially if you want to analyze several competitors. And like I said, you can also check out my website if you want to read more on SEMRush. This is just a quick overview of it. Thank you.